Hey guys, Chris at Acevacuums. It's a nice Sunday afternoon here at the local Acevacuum store here in Leesburg, Virginia. We're going to talk to you guys today about one of our famous brands that we carry, which is our nice Riccars. Today we're going to talk about one of the ones that I personally like, which is the Riccar SupraQuik. This is a very lightweight vacuum. You can see you can put it directly on your shoulder. You can put it over your shoulder here just like this. You can hold it however you want to do it. This vacuum is very good suction, very lightweight. You have a hose that goes on the front end here. This is all bag change, so you just pop this tab open, you open the container, you'll see the bag on the inside. Once it fills up, you just throw that thing away, and then you just close this back up with the new bag. Then what you do is your on and off button is here. So your hose will go right here on the front. It comes with a multitude of attachments, from a crevice tool, upholstery tool, it comes with a upholstery tool, canister, or a upholstery tool, crevice tool, and a dusting brush. This also comes with 2 wands. It comes with a hardwood floor tool that you can do for area rugs, as well as all hard floor surfaces, from tile, linoleum, laminate, stuff like that. If you put the hose directly on the back here, this is actually going to act like a blower. So you put the hose on the back, it becomes like a leaf blower. Like you can still blow like light snow and leaves and stuff like that. Cool thing about this is it also comes with a micro set of tools. So you can also put the tools on the front here. And it has a micro set of tools, so if you do a lot of like dusting for your vehicles, keyboards, different things like that, this is going to work amazing for those as well. So like I said, it's a multi-functioning vacuum that does a little bit of everything in the home. It's a very good lightweight vacuum. It comes with a nice 2-year warranty on the machine. So if you have any issues within 2 years, you can bring this thing back to the place where you bought it, preferably us. If you buy it from us, we are the Riccar dealer, so we handle all the warranty work. Good vacuum. Riccar SupraQuik does all your above floor cleaning, steps, furniture, dusting, hardwood floors, a little bit of everything. Stop by our store at 300 Fort Evans Road, or give us a call here at 703-997-9292. Thank you guys, and have a great